Hey fam, welcome back to the channel. I'm Dr. Taslima Jamal, who recently cleared the PLAB 2 exam. So in this video, I'm going to give you 5 hacks about PLAB 2 exam. I wish I knew this before the exam because once you do the exam, you will think like, okay, I should have done it better. Watch the video till the end because the last one is very important. So let's go to the video. I recently posted an Instagram reel about the struggles I faced in PLAB 2 exam. It got viral, it got 40k views. So I understand there are many people who feel like me, so I wanted to help them. So after speaking with many doctors who are preparing for PLAB 2, I understand only one thing, the mindset. So the first thing I'm going to tell you is, you have to change your mindset. Yeah? You have to be confident because you already cleared the PLAB 1 exam, which is the theory part. Now you're on the tougher side, which is the practical part. You have to just show them you're clinically capable, you have so much of skills to come and work in the UK. This exam is testing about how you manage the patients in different circumstances. So once you enter the station, you have to be confident enough to just show them, you got this, I can handle this, so let me handle the patient. Have a mindset that you can handle the patient in a professional way, whatever the situation is. So you can do one thing after waking up. I did this, it worked a lot. So just tell yourself, you got this, okay? You came this far, not to come this far. Stand in front of the mirror and tell yourself, you got this, you can do this. This is not just impossible, I can do it. So let's start the hacks. First study hack. The first important thing is choosing the study material. Choose the material which is good for you. So when you see the material, just read it out the way you will talk to the patient. So you should know if you set that study material as a reference, you can talk better. Sometimes you will feel like, okay, these cases are not good in this, let me check some other things, because there are many study material available for the PLAB 2. You can get it from the WhatsApp group as well. You just keep the study material as a reference. It's the way it teaches you how to talk to the patient. We have done differently in our hometown. So the material will teach us how to talk here, how to do the things which is according to the UK style. Yeah? So stick to one material. If you feel like these cases are not good in this, okay, let me check in something else. You can take those cases from different material as well. That's okay. Second study hack. It's practicing the role play. From day one of your preparation, you have to start practicing side by side because you will be the doctor and your mom or your brother or someone can be the patient. You have to keep on talking because it gives you practice. When you do it in the exam, it's easier. If you have someone in the house, you can just grab them and make them sit next to you. Just 5 minutes or 8 minutes is enough, right? Because you have to do 1 or 2 cases per day at least while you're starting the journey. If you have no one, that's okay. You can get a study partner and you can practice with them virtually. So the first thing, if you have no one to practice with, that's okay. You can keep a mirror in front of you and just keep on talking the way you will talk to the patient. This will give you the fluency and how your posture is, how you're talking, the facial expressions which you're using, and you have to watch for the tone as well. All these things will develop your interpersonal skills, which will give you more marks in the exam. Trust me, it will work out. Because you have to be very patient-centered. First is the patient. For example, if your friend is being abused, how concerning you will be and how you will talk to her. You will lean forward, ask their story. You will be very concerned in knowing what happened, how you can help them. So that's the same we are going to do in the exam as well. Just think in the patient's side first before doing the role play. So I will talk a detail about the interpersonal skills in the next video, which I'm going to post all about the PLAB 2. Keep on practicing. Do at least 2 to 3 cases per day. You have to keep on talking till you do the exam. Third hack, the timing of practicing. 6 minutes 30 seconds, or you can maximum keep it up to 7 minutes because it's totally 8 minutes each station and you have 90 seconds outside the station to study the role play. So I practiced in 7 minutes because if you finish it sooner, in the anxiety in the exam, you will take at least 8 minutes. So practice with 6 minutes 30 seconds or 7 minutes. Now, the 7 minutes you are splitting into 3. First, 3 minutes for the history. You have to complete all the history in first 3 minutes and then 2 minutes for the examination part. you have to be quicker because you have to do all the examination in 2 minutes. So in the exam, you will be very anxious. So while doing the examination, you may take up to 3 minutes. That's why we are keeping 1 minute lesser while practicing, because you will be very anxious in the exam. That's okay, that's normal. And then the last 2 minutes, you have to be in the diagnosing part. You have to tell the patient what your diagnosis is, and you have to explain them what the management we are doing. Remember, in the 7 minutes, you have to take whole history, do the examination, diagnose the patient, explain the management part, and importantly, you have to do the safety netting, tell them what the red flags is because they can come back to you if there is something wrong, and you have to give a leaflet. Fourth hack, make a short summary of all the topics you are studying. So whatever the topic you are studying, for example, if you are taking headache and you have to study all the headache cases, right? So once you finish the headache, just make a short summary of what are the cases you have studied and what are the important points which you should never forget in that case. For example, if a woman is coming with migraine, you have to ask her about the contraception history. Like those things, you can write in a short summary. So while revising, it's easier for you. You just have to go through the cases and what are the important points you have to remember, which you should never forget in the exam. You can write your own flashcards and write the question in front. In the back, you can write the answer. So see the question and remember what the answer is, and then you can turn and see the answer as well. Fifth hack. This is the very important hack. You know, we will be keep on studying about the medicine cases. Okay, we have a lot of subjects to cover. We have medicine, surgery, pediatrics, and obs and gynae, psychiatry, which is important. So you will be studying about all this and you will keep on practicing, but the important part you're forgetting. That's the SimMan, the procedures, all the examinations part, and importantly, the prescription. These 4 things you should never skip. From the starting, you keep 2 hours at least for practicing the SimMan, which is 8 minutes, and keep practicing the procedures, at least 1 procedure per day and 1 prescription per day, and do the examination part. If you're in your home country and you don't have any SimMan there, that's okay. Keep a pillow in front of you and keep practicing, because you are starting verbalizing the things before you come and practice in the real SimMan. So the point is, you have to keep on verbalizing the things. You have to be familiar before you're talking. You can be familiar in your mind. That's what I did. I just keep on talking in my mind, but when I started talking out loud, I got a lot of mistakes. I couldn't even finish the A part in the SimMan. Whatever you're preparing in that day, just keep 2 hours for all the practical things, which is the SimMan procedure, the examinations, and the prescriptions as well. These things are equally important to the medicine cases. One more tips I have to give you is I use the timer called PLAB 2, which will have 6 minutes reminder, because in the real exam it's totally 8 minutes and they will give you a reminder 2 minutes remaining. So in that PLAB 2 app, there will be a voice 2 minutes remaining, same as in the exam. So it's easier in that way. You have to be in the diagnosis part when you hear the 2 minutes remaining. So I will give the picture in the video. You can download that app and use it. It's really useful. Thank you for watching the video. These are the 5 hacks which is important to prepare for the exam. So do subscribe to my channel and click the like button. I'll be uploading a video about my PLAB 2 journey. I'll be talking about everything which I did for the PLAB 2 exam. So do subscribe to my channel so you will get a lot of PLAB 2 tips and tricks. So see you in the next video. Bye-bye. Jamal. Loose. The video is not recording. Oh my god, how many times I have to do this? The interpersonal skills are very important if you... Oh no.